Good morning. It's the quiet, the calm before the storm. As we've been talking about, we do have that big winter storm affecting us this weekend, starting up tomorrow morning. So today, here's the good news. It's warming up. We've got a quiet day ahead of us too, though it will end up being a little bit more on the cloudy side, and you can see those low clouds overhead right now. So a quiet start, a good chance to maybe chip away at some of those areas of snow before the next round moves in and gets some more snow into your driveway. And some of us could see quite a bit of it. We do have a winter storm warning. It takes effect Saturday morning. So it's not for now. It's for Saturday morning at 6 a.m. And those of us up in the Northern Valley in blue here in a winter weather advisory. And you can see there's a wide area of this winter storm warning. It includes Fargo, Jamestown, back over to Bemidji, and then Point South, and all the way down to the Minneapolis area too. So we're really going to be affected by this over a widespread region here in the tri-state area. So that's going to have some big impacts on travel. Right now, again, it's quiet. We're just looking at some spotty areas of snow here in the tri-state area. In the valley, a couple of areas where we've seen a little bit of snow. You can see it's kind of tapering off a little, but can't rule out some spotty areas of flurries to some light snow to start off this morning up in the northeast. So a look at our temperatures. It's 15 degrees in Fargo. It's 12 in Grand Forks. We're at 13 in Jamestown. Over to the east, 18 in Detroit Lakes and Wahpeton. So a big difference in our temperature starts here this morning. We're all beginning our day not only above zero, but well above zero to start off our Friday. Wind out of the south helping to bring in that warmer air. We've got wind speeds getting into the teens at times, and visibility is looking pretty good. We do have those low clouds in Fargo, and our visibility report there just slightly lower. So again, this morning, some spotty areas of snow up in the northeast, but that should be moving on and dissipating too. And we're looking at some cloud cover just hanging around. By the time we get to noon, we'll be into the 20s above, and that wind out of the south still going. So there'll be a little wind chill, but we'll still feel pretty good out there compared to where we've been. Highs today into the low to upper 20s, still below freezing. And by the way, if we stay below freezing, today will be day 60 of our consecutive days stuck below freezing here in the valley. So it's been a cold stretch, that's for sure. Heading into the 7 o'clock hour, you can see those temperatures starting to slide a little, but we stay mild into the late night hours tonight, continuing into tomorrow morning. And of course, you can see what's heading our way. This is 7 a.m. The snow already moving into southeastern North Dakota at that point. So if you have some travel plans, tonight's your night. The snow is moving in early tomorrow and will continue to spread over the valley through the morning hours. So here's a more wide view. You could see that we've got this system that's going to be quite large and closer to the low, which will be a little farther south. That's where we'll see some of these areas of purple, the heaviest snowfall associated with this system, and even an area of mixed precipitation, especially along that I-90 corridor. So heading into the later morning and into the afternoon, by noon, we've got more snow spread over the valley. These arrows here, those are wind gusts, so those are starting to pick up a little. Again, heaviest snowfall down in the south and southeast, lakes country especially. Into the 4 o'clock hour, we're still dealing with some heavier snow, and with temperatures as warm as they'll be, this is going to be a wetter snowfall too, and stronger winds causing some blowing snow as well heading into the evening hours for tomorrow night. So that's going to be when we start to see visibility drop with the combination of snow and wind. Gradually that moves on Sunday morning, but the wind stays strong into the morning hours. Snowfall potential, we're looking at more than 6 inches of snow for a good portion of the valley. Basically, if you're in the winter storm warning, you have the potential of getting 6 inches of snow or more, lesser amounts to the north. This does end during the day on Sunday. Don't forget to spring forward too, as we're in the middle of a snowstorm, and then talking about the next round coming up for midweek next week.
Did I hear you right? 60 days below?
60 days. Today is day 60. If we stay below freezing, it's day 60. So 2 months we've been below freezing.
I feel like that's a chapter in a really terrible Little House on the Prairie book.
It's you know what? It is in the top 10 for longest stretches below freezing. So I mean, it's been pretty remarkable for us in the valley.
Impressive.
Yes, there we go.
Thank you, Lisa. It's going to be a weekend full of Disney magic. Just ahead, we're getting a sneak peek at this year's Disney on Ice.